Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Diagnosing the P2238 trouble code in a 2011 to 2015 Honda Civic involves understanding what the code signifies. The code points to an issue with the air-fuel AF sensor 1, particularly the AFS plus circuit, indicating low voltage. The AF sensor measures the content of oxygen in the exhaust gases to help control the air-fuel mixture for optimal combustion. It is located in the exhaust manifold or just downstream of it, designed to provide data crucial for the engine control module, ECM. If the sensor fails, it can lead to poor engine performance, increased emissions, and potential damage to the catalytic converter. Begin with an understanding of the diagnostic process, which includes verifying symptoms and checking connected components. The AFS sensor, sensor 1, is critically important for maintaining an efficient combustion process in the engine. Its primary role is to measure the oxygen content in the exhaust gases. This data is then relayed to the ECM, which adjusts the air-fuel ratio for optimal engine performance. If the sensor's AFS plus circuit experiences low voltage, it can lead to improper readings and subsequent engine performance issues. The sensor is situated near the exhaust manifold, making it vulnerable to extreme temperatures and contaminants. Additionally, connections to the powertrain control module, PCM or ECM, may also be implicated in the failure. It's essential to inspect these areas thoroughly before proceeding with any further diagnostics. Understanding the potential causes of the P2238 code can help in guiding diagnostics. A shorted AFS plus wire may lead to low voltage readings, thus triggering the fault code. This could happen due to damage from heat or rubbing against other components. A faulty AF sensor itself could be the culprit, failing to transmit accurate readings to the ECM. Additionally, issues within the ECM's internal circuit may also lead to this problem, requiring an inspection of the software and possible updates. Recognizing these causes is vital in the troubleshooting process, as it helps narrow down the areas requiring further examination. When the P2238 code is triggered, drivers may experience various symptoms that affect their vehicle. One common symptom is engine performance issues, which can include rough idling or stalling. Additionally, because the A-fuel sensor directly affects fuel mixture, poor readings can lead to increased emissions, causing the vehicle to fail emissions tests. It is likely that the check engine light will illuminate, alerting the driver to the problem. Unfortunately, ignoring these symptoms can potentially lead to more serious engine damage or increased repair costs down the road. Therefore, addressing the symptoms promptly is crucial for maintaining vehicle performance. The first troubleshooting step is essential for establishing a clear diagnostic path. Begin by turning the ignition switch to the on position 2. This step powers the vehicle's systems without starting the engine. Next, clear the diagnostic trouble code DTC using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, ensuring a fresh start for diagnostics. After clearing, check for any confirmed or pending DTCs. If DTC P2238 reappears, it indicates a present failure, allowing you to move on to the next step in the troubleshooting process. If it does not, you might be dealing with an intermittent issue, which could be a result of loose connections or wiring faults. For step 2, the focus shifts to checking the AFS plus line for shorts. First, turn the ignition to the lock position, 0, to ensure all systems are shut down safely. Using the HDS, jump the SCS line, which stands for Service Check Sample, to prepare the system for testing. Next, disconnect the AF sensor, sensor 1, 4P connector, and the ECM connector C, 49P. Continuity must be checked between two designated points. Test point 1 at ECM connector C, 49P, no, 39, HELE, and test point 2, which is the body ground. If continuity exists, it implies a short in the wire, necessitating repairs. Conversely, lacking continuity suggests the AFS plus wire is intact, prompting a move to Step 3. In Step 3, you'll conduct a voltage check on the ECM's functionality. Reconnect the ECM connector C, 49P, ensuring it's secure. Turn the ignition switch to on position I again. This prepares the system for measurement without starting the vehicle. Measure the voltage between test point 1, located at the AF sensor, sensor 1, 4P connector number 2, yellow, and test point 2, which is body ground. The acceptable voltage reading should be approximately 2.2 volts. If this voltage is confirmed, it indicates that the ECM's internal circuit is functional, pointing to the necessity to replace the AF sensor. A failure to register this voltage requires either an update of the ECM software or substitution with a known good ECM, customized to your vehicle's specifications. After completing repairs, it's essential to verify that they were successful. Start by turning the ignition switch to the lock position, 0, and ensure that all connectors are properly reconnected. This will help prevent any disconnection issues that could trigger the code again. Next, turn the ignition switch back on, 2, and reset the ECM using the HDS. Post-reset, proceed to perform the ECM idle learn procedure, critical for the system's adaptability. Finally, check the OBD status for DTC P2238. If the HDS indicates passed, then troubleshooting is complete. Should it indicate failed or not completed, further investigation and possibly rechecking the repairs performed might be necessary. To ward off future issues related to the P2238 diagnostic trouble code, regular preventive maintenance is crucial. Start with periodic checks of all connectors associated with the AF sensor and the ECM to ensure they are secure and free from corrosion. Given the sensor's exposure to harsh conditions, inspecting the AF sensor for physical damage or wear can preempt functionality issues. Additionally, keeping the wiring harness protected from abrasions or heat sources is vital for maintaining circuit integrity. Incorporating these checks into routine maintenance will not only help in early detection of potential faults, but also extend the lifespan of the components involved. In conclusion, addressing DTC P2238 in a 2011 to 2015 Honda Civic entails a systematic approach focusing on verification, troubleshooting, and preventive measures. Start by confirming the presence of symptoms leading to the DTC. Following the step-by-step troubleshooting guide allows for accurate diagnostics and ensures that you tackle the precise problem affecting the A/F sensor, sensor 1. Repair verification is a critical phase to confirm that all necessary repairs were successful, preventing recurrence of the issue. Lastly, implementing preventive maintenance practices can greatly enhance the reliability of your vehicle's systems and reduce the likelihood of similar issues arising in the future. Always stay informed on best practices for vehicle maintenance to ensure optimal performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!